Hi guys, I'm Jack Miller and I'm here with Simon at the Leicester Customer Training Centre. Yeah, he's going to walk me through the D3, teach me a few little things that I can take to mine at home.
So Jack, with the new D3, this is the LGP version. This one's equipped with the new C3.3 engine, so that's a replacement for the 4.4 on the previous model. D3 is obviously now a replacement of the D5 K2. New dress, better visibility to the front. This one's equipped with power pitch on the front here, and I've locked this. People ask what this is for, so when I'm using the Accu grade, you lock that off and that stops any creep or movement in that power pitch cylinder on the top there. Easy access. Got grab rails all the way along now. On here, easy into the cab. Round the side here, we've got, so your fuel filters are in here, believe it or not, so that's easy ground level for checking if you've got any water in your water separator. Screen wash at the side, this is your cab filtration. So around the back, Jack, this is the blue one, that indicates that's your DEF tank, so you put your DEF fluid in. There's your fuel fill, camera, reverse camera, and through here the sight glass, this is your hydraulic oil level, and this is your hydraulic oil fill. And these are colour coded now, so it's normally orange for hydraulic, black cap or a green cap for fuel, and then blue's always your DEF. This side, batteries, so it's 12 volt, but it's double battery for easy cold starting. Got your hydraulic filter in here.
Isolator. And
then you've got your isolator, and the light is there indicating when it's safe to turn the isolator off when it's done its DEF purge. On here, this is always handy on the tractors now, so you've got your grease points and service intervals, so fuel separator, etc. It's all on here. That's a handy little feature. Then you've got your fuse sticker there.
Beauty.
Engine access, that clips in there. And you've got dipstick, doing your oil checks in the morning, and then you've got this panel here, so this is new now, so this lifts out, so it's quite easy.
For filling as well.
Yep, so you've got your filler there, spin on oil filter under here, you can do that and get your cartridge in, and then you've got your air cleaner at the top there.
Beautiful. Nice and easy access.
Yeah, it's all, I mean, I'm not a tall bloke at all, by all means, and everything's at ground level for me, whereas sometimes I find a bit of a challenge on the bigger machines because obviously this is short. And then this will hinge the cooling pan forward. There you go. On the door and clean gear radiator sweep up, particularly in your territory where you've got that fine dust.
Yeah, blow out the radiator.
There and give that a good brushing out.
Beautiful. There we go. Beautiful.
There you go.
Look at that, teamwork. Lovely. And they hydro lines up here?
Yeah, they're your connectors for when you put your masts on, whether you're using GPS masts or laser masts, so you'd hook into there. Yeah, right. We've got LED work lights now, so a lot brighter lighting from it. Excellent visibility now with a sloped hood line. And then the little box there next to the muffler, that's your product link.
Yeah, right.
And then that panel there,
this one here,
that's for your
coolant.
There's a little catch under here. That's for your radiator coolant.
There you go.
So Jack, do you want to get inside the cab and I'll show you some of the displays and some of the features inside the cab as well. Now you notice that you're on an air ride seat, so the seat air ride's down there.
Yep.
You've also got your temperature control on there as well.
Oh yeah. Oh.
And you've also got a fan, so it's actually a cooling seat as well as a heated seat on this one. Then you've got your controls, so you've got your main tractor control, so forward, reverse, steering on that one. The rollers are doing your speed control for your forward and reverse speeds.
Oh yeah.
And then on this side, this works your blade. So your blade lift, blade tilt, And then this has got the power pitch, so the buttons on there will adjust the top cylinder for your power pitch.
When you haven't got the thing in.
Then the yellow button, when we start doing some of the AccuGrade functions, that turns that on and off. So here we have the display. So this is the hour meter for the tractor. This is your clock, normal clock. These here are showing the slope indicate and crossfall indicate. Now to get the AccuGrade function to work, let's press that now. So you've got whether we've activated brake, pedal decel, traction control on or off, stable blade on or off, auto carry. So auto carry, how that works in combination with the tracks, it monitors the tracks. If you start getting track slip, it'll start lifting the blade, carrying the material, taking some of the loading off the undercarriage. You click on this, the menu, and I activate slope assist on this menu, so I'm highlighting that now. So this is now showing me I've got an 8-degree cross fall and a 4.2 degree main fall. And on here, if I wish to keep that 4.1, 4.2 main fall, if I press this down arrow, that'll put that figure into there. Yeah. Same again for the cross slope. If you want to maintain 8 degrees, you click on that and that brings it down. And then when you click this one, that'll bring the top value down. When you're driving along and you're in gear, you'll press the yellow button there, but it won't allow me at the moment because we've got input, the engine's not running. But with the engine running in gear, that would come up and would be in auto. So these will light up green and the tractor will do that automatically for you. Yeah. Without it turned on, these are obviously references to what your actual blade is.
What your blade's at, yeah. Righto.
And then the one here, you click that, when you're changing direction, if you click that, that changes it, so it's pitched the blade over the other way now. Okay. And then down here you've got your fuel level, your amount of DEF fluid remaining, then you've got your coolant temperature and your oil temperature. Good. And this is your forward speed and your reverse speed. So on the roller you can adjust that value. Then down there you've got your HVAC control, so you've got air conditioning, temperature and your fan speed. Right Jack, now I've showed you some of the features, it's time for you to give her a go if you'd like to put it to work.
Definitely. Fantastic machine, that. Unreal, that. Lots of fun.